Autel's TS508 Wi-Fi is a great solution that makes reading and replacing TPMS valves quick and simple. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it also means that it can be updated at just the touch of a few buttons. It's worth noting at this point that Autel's TPMS tools are able to read and wake any known sensor on the market, but when it comes to programming blank valves, they have to be Autel. Autel's valves are universal and they are compliant with most vehicles on the road. The sensors we are using today are the 433 rubber sensors. Now, the TS508 Wi-Fi has 4 modes for programming TPMS valves: via OBD, via activation of the valve on the vehicle, by manually inputting that ID, or by auto-creating. In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to program 4 valves via the activation method. For copy via activation, we can go in via quick mode, and then we can select the make of the vehicle that we're working on, and then the model, and the year. And then we're going to go around and scan all 4 sensors. As displayed on the screen, we're going to start with the front left. Then we will move to the front right. Then the rear right. And finally, the rear left. Once we've triggered all 4 sensors, we can then check their status. It will show the 4 sensor IDs with the pressures, the temperatures, and the condition of the battery. To exit from here, we can just press any key, and then press N to exit. We're then going to highlight the program sensor key, and then we're going to go in via copy by activation. Now we can move over to the front left wheel. I have a brand new Autel valve here. It's probably easier to program these valves when they're out of the wheel, but it can be done once they're inside the tyre. Just be mindful that you'll have to turn your program limit off, otherwise you won't be allowed to program it if it's above 10 psi. Now, by highlighting the front left sensor and pressing yes, it will then search for this valve. And once it's found it, it will go ahead and program it. And the beep indicates it's been programmed successfully. Once again, the beep confirms that the sensor has been programmed properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other 2 wheels. We've now copied the original IDs from the vehicle into the Autel valves. All that's left to be done on this vehicle is a 20-minute road test, and that light should go out. Depending on the manufacturer, this process could be slightly different. The tool has a position relearn function. Make sure you read the instructions in that, and it will give you the information you need.